Good morning, students. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session, we have learnt about step to show animation. In this session, we will study about adding hyperlink. Adding hyperlink. We can add a hyperlink to any object, text, image, chart, etc. on a slide. Select the object. In the image below, we are selecting the text metamorphosis on the slide. Right click and choose the hyperlink option. Type the link to which you wish to be redirected. On the clicking the object, we will be directed the desired link. Importing data from Word and Excel. We can embed another document into a PowerPoint presentation. Select the object option in the Insert tab. Objects to be inserted can be pre-existing files. Browse and select the required file. The file selected is inserted in the presentation. Inserting audio clips. Audio clips can be inserted into the presentation in two ways: by recording an audio clip and embedding it into the document, or by inserting an audio clip from the PC. By recording an audio clip. Record a clip. For this, a functional microphone is required. Inserting an audio clip from the PC. Browse through the files in the PC and select the audio clip to be inserted into the presentation. Inserting video clips. The Insert tab has two icons, one for inserting video and one for inserting audio. To insert an online video, type what you are looking for in the search bar. From the search results, select the video to be embedded into the presentation and click Insert Video. To insert a video from the PC, browse through the files on the PC and select the file to be inserted. Screen recording. The screen recording function records the activities on the screen. Let us understand how to use the feature by making a presentation on how to write a basic 256 program. This will enable us to record how we opened the IDE, wrote a simple program, pressed the run button to execute it, and finally saved the program. This file can thereafter be embedded into our presentation. The screen recording feature allows us to deliver technical presentations. We can capture a video of our computer screen and also record an audio file and embed it into a presentation. A microphone and speakers are required to use the screen recording feature along with audio. To capture a video of our computer screen, follow these steps. Go to the slide onto which you would like to add screen recording. Go to the Insert tab and select the screen recording option. Upon clicking screen recording, a control dock will appear. Use the crosshead cursor to select the portion of the screen that needs to be recorded. PowerPoint records the audio and the mouse pointer by default. We can use the pause, record and stop options on the control dock. Upon saving the presentation, the recording gets embedded into the presentation. The recording can also be saved as a separate file anywhere on the computer. For this, select the video, right click and select the Save Media as option. Smart Lookup. It helps us find the definition, information, history and web pages related to a word or phrase. To search for information, follow these steps. Right click on a word or phrase and select Smart Lookup. The pane that opens up is called the Insights pane and has definitions, wiki articles and related searches from the web. Sharing a presentation online. We can create a video of a PowerPoint presentation and upload it on YouTube or email it. To create a video of a PowerPoint presentation and share it online, follow these steps. Go to the File menu and select the Export option. On clicking the Create Video button, we can save on MPEG file on our PC, which can be uploaded on YouTube or sent as an email attachment. We can present it live to viewers at different locations using the Present Online option under slideshow. However, viewers and the presenter need an internet connection for the same. The viewers don't need PowerPoint installed on their PC. So children, what did we learn in this lesson? We learned that various objects such as text, pictures, shapes, tables and smart art graphics can be animated in a PowerPoint presentation. There are three types of animation: entrance, emphasis and exit. To move from one slide to another during a PowerPoint presentation, a special effect called transitions can be used. There are three types of transitions: subtle, exciting and dynamic content. Smart Lookup enables us to find the definition, information, history and web pages related to a word or phrase. Thank you.